All right, so what's going on, guys? What's up, man? After 2 years of dodging it, man, I finally caught the COVID.
The nose, you're basically going to inhale really, really deep, okay? All right. Inhale, done.
Yeah. So I'm at home right now, quarantined for the next 5 days. Got the COVID. I think my wife gave it to me.
Damn you, vile woman!
All right, so here is my review of these Amazon manifold logs right here, right? So I bought these. Now, mind you, I can tell you right now, they're not gonna clear a third gen. So if you got a third gen, you're not gonna clear the K member. Okay, because that right there, where the hole's at, is when it hit. I'll put it up right here so you can see. See, they're not gonna clear a third gen, which is no problem. So I got my welder now. All I have to do is cut that V-band off and then put a 90 on it and kick it right out, right? The other side is pretty much the same. But, I mean, it bolts up. So this side is clear. That's about how it'll be right there. Let's see how close that V-band is to that knuckle there. So it may clear, it may not, but then again, what I was gonna do, if I was gonna keep these, is cut that V-band off, with a straight pipe on it, and kick it out here, and then put the V-band out here somewhere. All right. But I may send these back because these need some modifications. They're great. Of course, they're China made. They look good on the outside, right? But when you look inside, and these was not that bad. See that right there? I would prefer to trim that lip a little bit down in there. That's definitely not that bad. And that was just the two middle ones. That was good. But let's check out this other one. Okay. Whoa. Talk about creating some back pressure there. That's going to create a ton of back pressure. See if I can focus on it. So, I mean, look at that one. That's going to create some back pressure, man. Maybe not a lot, but that's more than what I want, especially coming right off the header. So I missed it a little bit right there. You know, and then a little bit here, not too bad. That isn't that hard to clean up, like, because the hole's like right here and it's cut, welded back here. It's like right there. So that isn't too bad to clean up right there, right? All you need is a burr. It's gonna take you some time, but a long burr to like stick in there, and you just gonna have to go to work and start grinding all of that out right there, right? And my thing is, do I want to do all that, right? Do I want to do all that for me to make these work for my setup? To make these work for my setup, so to make these work for my setup, right, is I would have to cut these off, weld the 90 on here and kick it out. Same thing with this, cut this off, weld the 90 on there to kick it out, then weld the V-band back on, then go inside and bore these holes out, right? Or just keep using my manifolds. The manifolds that got V-bands on them. You know what I mean? It's not bad. It's been working for years. These have been working for years, right? So the only thing I don't like is the way I did this one, or the way I had this one done. And I was just concerned about this piece cracking right here, but it hasn't cracked yet. Don't worry about my ankles over here. It hasn't cracked yet. And I had these for over I don't know what's going on, probably close to 8 years now. Fix it when it cracks, or just fix it now? That is the question. So, you know, I ain't gonna jump on these, start modifying these yet until I figure out one. They look good, but they need work. Or stick the old ones back on and keep it rolling. All right. So that's my review of the Amazon LS headers. Hey guys, so let me know what y'all would do, okay? Just if you guys will keep them, modify them, or put the old ones back on and we'll see how it goes, okay? Comment down below, let me know what y'all would do. Don't forget to subscribe.